Hi everybody! Today we're diving into two super useful grammar structures, zero and first conditional. But don't worry, I'll make it fun and easy. Let's go! Zero conditional facts and rules. Imagine something that always happens. A fact, a rule, or something scientific. That's the zero conditional. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, what happens? If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. Or, let's make it fun. If you don't sleep all night, what happens? You look like a zombie. Now let's break it down. What's the verb form? Listen carefully. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. We have the condition, if plus present simple, and then the result in present simple. Let's write a sentence about him. If he skips coffee, he turns into a grumpy gremlin. Okay, now let's look at the first conditional and the things that might happen in the future. What will happen if you don't study for your test? For example, the test is next week. If you don't study, you will fail the test. If you don't study, is the condition. You will fail the test, is the result. And here's a fun one. If you eat 10 ice creams, you will get a brain freeze. Let's practice. If the weather is nice tomorrow, we'll go to the beach. If I don't wake up at 6 tomorrow, I won't have time to pack my bag for the trip. We can start the sentence with the result first. Try with the ice cream. You will get a brain freeze if you eat 10 ice creams. We'll go to the beach if the weather is nice tomorrow. Your turn again. Complete these sentences. If you touch fire, if you don't bring an umbrella, if you cook, if you don't wear a jacket in winter. How many did you get right? Remember, grammar is fun when you use it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.